What's going on, guys? Welcome to the High PSI Performance channel. I'm JD, and back there behind me is John, and we're about to start another week of some dope cars. Starting this fine Monday off, we got Royce's Corvette. Ooh, she's shining. Royce's Corvette on the dyno. We're going to be going over and checking some things, making some changes in the tune, and probably making a couple tugs on the dyno just to make sure everything is copacetic with the power glide setup in it. And we will do our major tuning adjustments at the track, but we just want to get it dialed in. If you remember, last week I was absent on Friday, had a dental appointment. Anyways, John got Crash's Del Sol knocked out. It had a power steering pump pulley failure. John got that resolved, so that one's all back ready to go home. So let him know so he can come pick his whip up. And then another project that we are starting on this fine Monday is this Mustang GT 5.0. We are doing an airlift 3-piece setup on this thing. So this joker will be aired out on some bags here shortly. We got a single compressor, large air tank. So that'll be pretty dope. Look forward to getting this thing rocking and rolling. So that's what we got going on so far this week. Let's get after it. Unfortunately, guys, it has been a real Monday today, and I'm gonna do a little PSA here. I had these exact same wheels on my SRT, Advan ones, dope wheels, and I'm willing to bet, I haven't called the customer yet, but I'm willing to bet he probably got them for Fitment Industries, and I'll confirm that. I'll put that in the video later. But those free lug nuts that they send you are fucking trash. Spend the money, get some good lug nuts. Don't use the free ones that they send, because then you end up with problems like this, where the lug nut breaks. Now, this could be a combination of things. Customer said he installed the wheels on his own, and he said that he had torqued the wheel down to a factory spec of 90, which I explained to the customer the spec, that when you look the spec up for your car, that spec is for a stock wheel and a stock lug nut. And so when you change these aftermarket lug nuts, you cannot follow those specifications anymore. You need to either A, call the company that makes the lug nuts, or B, make a judgment call on what is tight. You know, 50, anywhere from 50 to 100 is what most factory torque specification is on a lug nut. So if you kind of shoot in the middle there somewhere between 50 and 75, you'd probably be all right. The issue is when the bolts aren't tightened evenly is where it becomes a problem. So it's not so much the actual torque spec, it's that they're all tightened evenly and to the same specification. But I digress. I'm gonna stop rambling. Point is, now we have to drill out 3 studs to get these wheels off so we can start our airlift installation. We have spent most of our day trying to get these wheels off. John was fortunate enough, he was able to get this side front off and the other side rear back there, but we've got 1 problem child on this front one and 2 on the back. So unfortunately, now we're gonna have to get wheel studs too. We were able to get the other ones off to where the studs are all good, and we just need new lug nuts, but now we're gonna need new lug nuts and at least 3 new studs. So not exciting, but we're powering through it. I just wanted to make you guys aware, if you are gonna use the locking style, tuner style lug nuts, do your due diligence. If the price is too good to be true, the price is too good to be true. They're probably cheap. So get nice lug nuts, long story short. So as we move along with our Monday, we've got dyno pulls that just showed up. Got this 2014 5.7 Hemi. It's got a cam in it. Looks like a 6.4 intake swap on it. So we will be doing some tugs on this one real quick, seeing what kind of power it makes. So finish driving it down and go ahead and make these pulls. So guys, as we move along with our week, we've got this 2005 Mustang GT in for a tune. I don't remember what size injectors, but I believe this thing's upgrade injectors, cam, fuel pump, intake, long tube headers, and full exhaust, straight pipe. So put a little base calibration in it this morning, got her fired up, and we'll go ahead and get a little tune action on this thing and see where this 3-valve ends up. Alright, got our island. Let's make a little tug here, see where we're at. Alright guys, so we got a baseline tug out of the way there. 313, 338. Definitely got room for improvement, so let's get after it, see what we can make on this thing. So moving right along, the 3-valve Mustang is all wrapped up. I was mistaken, that car doesn't have cams. Obviously y'all would have heard it, but finished out good. Little E85 action on that one. And so it finished out 326 and 344. So That one's all wrapped up. Took it out for a drive. Runs great. Did a little more once and over on the vet. Everything's good on it. And John got the wheels that were muffed up on our Mustang, got all the wheels off, and he has been diligently putting the airlift performance suspension on the Mustang. So the fronts are installed and he's working on wrapping up the rears now. So let me show you. You know, we ended up having to drill out the studs. Look at the precision my man did here. Look at the precision. look like a damn helicoil focusing on that. Yeah. But got them drilled out, got the wheel off. Oh, as you can see, I got a little beanie on today. Got nippies down in the 40s. But we are wrapping up our Mustang bags. You can see we got wheels back on. John has replaced the studs. Go ahead, buddy. Got new studs there. Putting on the new lug nuts now. Let me show you this this install. Nice and clean. We got the tank mounted up. Air compressor right there. And this man still has his whole trunk available for use. So as soon as it gets the lugs on, we'll pull this thing forward and I'll show you what it looks like going up and down. Alright guys, we got it all wrapped up. This is the all the way up on this Mustang with the airlift. Let's go ahead and show you what it looks like aired out. Go ahead and drop it like it's hot. Tucking tire. Pop the trunk. Nice clean setup. Go ahead and air it back up. So as you can see, got plenty of room. That is gonna wrap this one up. So guys, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Even though tomorrow is Friday, I won't be here. John's gonna be here wrapping up and starting some new projects, but I'll fill you guys in on those on Monday. But we got our lowered our airlift Mustang all wrapped up. Customer's on his way to pick it up. And then Royce took his Corvette out today on its maiden voyage with the Power Glide, and all is well. He did, however, decide, which we discussed, getting the bump box for the car. So that is ordered and will be in first of next week. So next week y'all see me put the bump box in that thing, and then we're gonna go out to the track and test next Friday, and then hit the top 10 list the following week. So I'll keep you guys updated on the progress with the vet. But that's it for this week's video. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.